everybody, it's 5-Foot Farmington here again, and right now I'm gonna make a video of a ceiling fan in my cousin's house. Here we go. Start up. This is the fan I'm really gonna film while sewing it. The living room fan. This is a white 52-inch Hunter Passport 3 ceiling fan. It's in white. I believe it's bleached oak on the other side. The Hunter logo. It's got 5 blades, no lights, and it's a Passport 3, not a Studio Series. It's not a Studio Series remote. It's a Passport 3. There's the reversing switch. And it's got 5 blades, like I just said. And yeah, it's a pretty good fan. And here's a control for it. It has fan labeled on that tag there. Here it goes. Uh-oh. Nope. Here it is. It must be on. Well, right now it must be on high. Don't know what speed it's on right now. I mean, this is my first day I've ever came here, so I don't know these fans very well. Well, it's spinning pretty slowly, so must be on low. No. Oh yeah, that must be really hot. Here it is. Sorry. Oh yeah, here it's on high. Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, I don't think it wobbles that much. Yeah, it doesn't wobble. Doesn't really make swoosing noise. Like, it just makes a whooshing noise, just like the Hunter Westcott in the hotel room in Mexico where I was just at. It has been it's been 2 weeks since then. Here it is. It's got those little vents on the motor. It's a real short pull chain. Yeah, here it is. Yes, woosing a bit. Yeah, here are the vents on the center outing. Yeah, they're kind of wedge-shaped. And here's the down. It's flush-mounted. Here's the canopy. Yeah, wobbles just a tiny bit. Just like a tiny bit of wobble. I'd say it's like 5%, 3% of a wobble. Yeah. Just a tiny wobble. But that doesn't bother anyone. Yeah, here it is. So yeah, it's a pretty nice fan. And this is the living room of their house. I'm just here to play with my cousin E-Train. And there's another fan over there. I'm not gonna film it because my cousin E-Train's sleeping. So I'm just gonna talk about it from right here, right by the door. So the fan in there is either a Snow White Casablanca Delta 2, or it could be a White Harbor Breeze Builder's Best, but it's not but it's definitely not a, well, it's got 4 blades, so it must be a Delta 2. Yeah, I figured, yeah, it's probably a Casablanca Delta 2, definitely not a Harbor Breeze Classic. And it's got a spotlight kit, and that one wobbles a tiny bit, and that one makes a little hum. Not too bad though. Yeah, and I think the one there's Delta 2, and that one in there has a spotlight kit. It's got four of them. Spotlight kit's always 4 lights, and it's also white and has 4 blades instead of 5. So yeah, my cousin Free Train sleeping in there because he's just a baby. But that's a bedroom. That's like well, my cousin Free Train has a crib in there because he's just a baby, and my aunt and uncle's bedroom too. Cousin E-Train is sleeping with Grandpa right now because he's staying here. And anyway, that's about it. And I will come again, and next time I'm here, I will make a video of the Delta 2 in the bedroom. Anyway, so yeah, that's about it. That is a 52-inch White Hunter Passport free ceiling fan at my cousin's house. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, favorite, share, comment, and subscribe. More videos to come. Over and out.